is integral part of the glowworm body. Similarly, if light is part of the human upadhi, human body mind sense complex, then you don't need to look for your torchlight, is it not? If you look for your torchlight means what? Means light is not part of me. Therefore, is this light to carry out vyavahara, vyapara, is it external to the body mind sense complex, or is it internal like the glowworm? Is it internal? Very clearly, it is not internal. The fact that I go for torchlight shows what? It is not internal. I don't glow like the glowworm. Just imagine so many glowworms. Human beings will be, we won't need street lights and so on. Electricity problems won't be there. Our board need not cut the electrical, every third day in Coimbatore started cutting cuts they have started. We don't have to pay the bills, nothing. If glowing is part of us. Therefore, it is not internal. If it is not internal, then what? It is external. The light is external. If the light is external, with the help of this external light, we carry out vyapara, if you say, then what vyapara we carry out with external light? Which is this external light? Question comes up, and the first thing you think of is Surya. When Surya rises, we all rise. Many of us rise after Surya rises, much after. But generally the hope is people rise as the Surya rises, we also rise. Therefore, Surya is the important source of external light. For what? For carrying out our vyapara. When is asked. When means Jagrad Avasthayam. In the waking state, yes, Suryan is required to carry out the vyapara. But if Suryan is the external light for all my vyapara, then when I go in my swapna avastha, when I go in my dream state, do I carry that Suryan with me? Does that Suryan, is he useful in giving me light to see my dream world? In fact, we leave Suryan in the Jagrad Avastha, in the waking world. And then what? We create a big world, another live world, a big drama we have of all kinds of things going on. Big samsara in dream also. Not only in waking we have samsara, dream also we have samsara, dukkham, maranam, bhayam, everything is there in dream world. This world that we create, which light? With the help of which light we create this world? If Suryan is the light, then dream is not possible. If dream is possible, that means what? Suryan is not the light we are talking about. Therefore, Janaka is confused. Raja wishes to know whether this light is external or internal light. And that is a question he asks Yagnavalkya Rishi. He says, Kim Jyotihi Ayam Purushaha. What is the light of this Purusha, of this being? And the answer is Aditya Jyotihi. Look at the development in the Upanishad. Aditya Jyotihi. It is due to sunlight. It is the sunlight. Sun is the Jyoti. Aditya Jyotihi. Sun is the light. Because Adityena eva Ayam Jyotisha. With the help of sunlight alone, Ayam aste palyayate karma kurute viparyeti iti. It is with this sunlight alone, this human being walks around, sits, he runs, he does his work, he returns from work. All this happens because of Aditya Jyotihi. Then Janaka asks, Astamite Aditya. When Aditya sets, when the sun sets, then what is this Jyotihi? He asks. The reply is, Chandrama eva asya jyotihi bhavati. See, you can understand Sanskritam. So simple. Chandrama eva asya jyotihi bhavati. The moon indeed is his jyotihi. Chandramasa eva jyotisha. With the help of the moonlight alone, what? Ayam purushaha aste palyayate karma kurute vipalyeti iti. With the help of moon alone, this person does all his vyapara. Then he says what? Astamite aditye chandramasi astamite. What happens when the moon sets? Don't tell me sun rises, okay? When the moon becomes Amavasya, then what? We have to understand this properly. So when the moonlight is also not there, sunlight is also not there, then what is your light? He replies, Agni eva asya jyotihi bhavati iti. Fire indeed is his light. Agninan eva ayam jyotisha aste palyayate karma kurute vipalyeti iti. By fire, light of fire alone, those days electricity was not there. By light of fire alone, he continues his vyapara. Then he says, the next step is astamite aditye, chandramasi astamite, shante agnau, kim jyotihi ayam purushaha. Even when Agni becomes Shanta, Shanta means quietened down, it resolves. Then what? What he says, Vageva asya jyotihi. Vag means speech. Speech is the jyotihi. Why? Because speech is sounds. When you can't see anything, when Surya is not there, Chandrama is not there, Agni is not there, and you want to know where is the village, what do? You try to strain your ears, Where is the dog barking, Where is the dog barking? Are people shouting? Your vyapara, your activity, your movement goes along the side of sounds, It goes in keeping with the sound. If there is no sound, then what will you do? Then you will sniff. Fire, smoke. Where is smoke coming from? You will sniff, and in that direction you will try to go. In other words, Vag eva asya jyotihi. Sound becomes its jyotihi, his jyotihi. Vacha eva ayam jyotisha aste palyayate karma kurute vipalyeti iti. Thus, this Brihadaranyaka goes on describing what is this jyotihi. Finally he says, Astamite aditye chandramasi, astamite shante agnau shantayam vachi. There is a big list, and he says, finally, what is this jyotihi? And Yagnivalkya replies, this jyotihi, when all the sense organs have also resolved, like in the deep sleep, the sense organs are not really awake. The mind buddhi is also not awake. Then what is this light? He asked, and Yagnivalkya said, this light is Atma Jyotihi. Atma Jyotihi Swayam Jyotihi. This Swayam Jyotihi means what? Atma is the final light. If Atma is the light, then it should always be luminous. Atma is the light, it should always be luminous. Luminous means what? It should always light up. But sometimes I don't know what is going on. Waking state I don't see. I see in the waking state, I know I am the knower of the waking state. The waking world is lit up by Atma, but then not all the time. Then I go into dream state. Atma lights up the dream world, okay. Then I go into deep sleep state. Atma lights up deep sleep, alright. But then at one time Atma doesn't light up everything. So it looks to me Atma is not always lit. In the Brihadaranyaka, Bhashyakara argues. He says, this Purva Pakshi, that Akshepa, that fellow, he argues, he says, therefore, Atma Jyoti is not always